Welcome to English with Polly. Looking for the perfect way to practice your speaking and listening skills? This is exactly what you need. Today we'll dive into a real conversation between two friends discussing how to plan or not plan their day. By the end of this video, you'll improve your listening, practice speaking, and feel ready for real-life conversations. Keep watching to get everything. Real-life conversation practice. Questions and answers. Shadowing to perfect your speaking. Confidence for everyday English. First, listen to the conversation and focus on the main idea, not every word. This is the key to improving your listening skills and understanding English naturally.
So, what's the plan for tomorrow?
I don't know yet. Let's play it by ear.
You mean no schedule at all?
Exactly. We'll decide what to do as we go.
I usually like having a plan.
I get that, but sometimes plans go out the window.
True, things never go exactly as planned.
Exactly. So let's just relax and see where the day takes us.
Now it's time to unlock some key vocabulary from this conversation. Play it by ear. Meaning, to make decisions as you go instead of having a fixed plan. Examples. We don't have a schedule, so let's play it by ear. I didn't prepare a speech, I'll just play it by ear. The weather is unpredictable, so we'll play it by ear. Go out the window. Meaning, when a plan, rule, or idea is no longer followed or stops being important. Examples. Our plan went out the window when it started raining. The teacher's lesson plan went out the window when the students asked too many questions. He promised to stay calm, but when he got angry, his patience went out the window. See where the day takes us. Meaning, to enjoy the day without a strict plan. Examples. We don't have plans. Let's just see where the day takes us. They decided to travel without a schedule and see where the day took them. Instead of planning everything, sometimes it's fun to see where the day takes you. Now it's time to test your understanding and practice speaking. Try answering out loud, even if it's just one word. Pause the lesson if you need more time, and come back to this exercise every day. Repetition is key. By repeating vocabulary and sentences often, you'll train your brain to think in English and speak naturally without translating. With daily practice, fluency will come.
So, what's the plan for tomorrow?
Did Oliver ask about their plan for tomorrow? Yes, he did. He wanted to know what they were going to do. Did Oliver already know the plan? No, he didn't. That's why he asked. What did Oliver want to know? He wanted to know what they would do tomorrow.
I don't know yet. Let's play it by ear.
Did Emma have a fixed plan? No, she didn't. She wanted to play it by ear. What does play it by ear mean? It means deciding things as you go instead of planning everything in advance.
You mean no schedule at all?
Was Oliver surprised by Emma's answer? Yes, he was. He expected a plan. Did Oliver like the idea of not having a schedule? No, he seemed unsure about it.
Exactly. We'll decide what to do as we go.
Did Emma confirm that they wouldn't plan in advance? Yes, she did. She said they would decide as they go. Does Emma like being flexible? Yes, she does. She prefers to play it by ear.
I usually like having a plan.
Does Oliver prefer to plan ahead? Yes, he does. He likes having a schedule. Did Oliver say he always plays it by ear? No, he didn't. He said he usually likes planning.
I get that, but sometimes plans go out the window.
Did Emma understand Oliver's point of view? Yes, she did. She said, I get that. What does go out the window mean? It means that a plan or rule is no longer followed.
True, things never go exactly as planned.
Did Oliver agree with Emma? Yes, he did. He admitted that plans don't always work out. Did Oliver still insist on making a plan? No, he started to agree with Emma's idea.
Exactly. So let's just relax and see where the day takes us.
Did Emma want to plan every detail of the day? No, she wanted to see where the day takes them. What did Emma suggest instead of making a plan? She suggested going with the flow and deciding things as they happen. Let's start shadowing practice. Repeat each line out loud after the speakers, focusing on rhythm, intonation, and flow. The simple daily exercise will transform your pronunciation and make your speaking smooth and natural.
So, what's the plan for tomorrow? You mean no schedule at all? I usually like having a plan. True, things never go exactly as planned.
I don't know yet. Let's play it by ear. Exactly. We'll decide what to do as we go. I get that, but sometimes plans go out the window. Exactly. So let's just relax and see where the day takes us.
Great job completing your English speaking practice. Watch this video every day for a week and repeat the exercises to see real progress in your speaking and listening skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing. Fluency is just around the corner.